Good morning, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. It's cold, it's early. Right, so this is a 9-seater minibus, automatic diesel, great spec. Obviously registered in 2021, so 4 years old. 100,000 miles, but one lease company owner, leased to the Health Authority. So, safety inspected every 6 months, MOT'd every 12 months, serviced properly, wet belt just replaced. 2 litre diesel, just had £1,000 wet belt. Okay, and the engine serviced. Full printout of maintenance. 9-seat diesel automatic minibus with a reverse camera, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. Now, it started life as a transit crew cab van. It had a professional 9-seat conversion. That's the floor and the rails in the floor, and 6 individual seats in the back. So this is can be a really practical layout. Unlike some of the vans, the Tornios, where you have each row of 3 seats is a 2 and a 1. These are 9 individual seats that you can clip out and clip in. Ideal for you big families, mountain bikers, etc. Really practical thing. So remember, it's got a reverse camera, rear park sensors. I've been driving around in it, so it's a bit dirty, but I think you can see that the bodywork is in exceptional condition for 100,000 miles. This particular lease company and this group of companies, they really look after their vehicles. Okay. Price, £18,995, no VAT. Now I think you'll see the condition of this van. Is really nice. Lovely leather steering wheel like you'd have in a car. Satellite navigation, reverse camera, climate control, automatic. There's an armrest in the seat that you can put down there, put your drinks in. Then inside, 9 individual seats that you can move around, take out, do what you want with. All there. So just been serviced, just had a wet belt, ready to go. Can't say how nice the automatic is to drive. This drives like a car, and is so clean. So each individual seat can be taken out. Dark blue, non-metallic, got privacy glass. My gosh, that sun is bright. Let's see if we can get up out of the sun so you can see the paintwork. Obviously windows all the way around. Paintwork very nice. Front park sensors, rear park sensors, reverse camera, satellite navigation. Lovely van this. Van. Cruise control on the steering wheel. That's your phone on the steering wheel. Run through the sat nav on your steering wheel. Big reverse camera is, I will show you in a minute. Satellite navigation. Rear heating controls up in the roof for the passengers in the back. No wear on the seat. It might be a bit frosted up actually, the reverse camera, but it does have one and it is nice and clear. Yes, it's got condensation on it, but yeah, very nice. No VAT. MOT till the 17th of the 10th 2026, and just serviced on the 23rd of the 10th of 2025. 23rd of October, serviced with a wet belt, ready to go. please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website to see our other minibuses in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 of the car videos we produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those, plenty of vans and minibuses as well. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh car into stock. You would be, or fresh vehicle into stock, you would be one of the first people in the country to know we just had that vehicle in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.